All right, I'm finally doing it. You guys have been asking me about this bag for months and what I keep inside of it. And today, I'm gonna show you everything.
You win. Perfect.
I've had fellow mini bikers come up to me at every single event asking me about this setup. They see me pull things out of here that's literally saved their ride or sometimes saved their entire race. But here's the thing, this isn't just any toolkit. Whether you're planning to dominate the GPS 180 mini bike race, attacking those brutal mountain trails, heading out on those long adventure trips, or just cruising the neighborhood, what's inside here could be the difference between an epic ride and you walking home. This is the GPS Racing Toolkit. Let's start with the netting on the outside. This thing is genius. You can attach this literally anywhere. You can put it on the front of your mini bike handlebars, you can put it on your back rack, or even throw it in your backpack. On the outside, we have a beautiful GoPowerSports rubber raised patch on it to give it that ideal iconic look. And this thing is secured by 2 Velcro straps. So let's open up this toolkit and let's get inside and see what this kit has to offer. First, you'll open up with the 2 Velcro straps. Bam, bam, nice and neat. There's one more Velcro strap in here to keep everything secure. And this is everything you get inside this toolkit. You get chrome-plated dual side wrenches. It goes as small as an 8mm and works its way all the way up to 19mm. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19mm wrenches. Like I said, these are double-sided. These are gonna be pretty durable and you're not gonna be bending these anytime soon. Very handy to have. Every single bolt and nut bolt on your mini bike and engine, these wrenches will be able to accommodate. If you have something that's a little bigger or if you need 2 of one wrench, then check out this Crescent wrench. Nice and smooth. What's great about this is that it opens all the way up to 1 3/8. So if you have any axle nuts you need to get off, this will be the right tool for you. Since there are a bunch of webbings in here, you can kind of customize this pack however you see fit. You can also add in extra tools if you had extra pieces that you definitely need on your ride. Next up, we also have the needle nose pliers. These are going to be great for pulling through throttle cables. If you need to snip off zip ties or even cut off frayed cables, you have snips in the middle here. And there's going to be plenty of teeth all through this tool. It's going to be a great multi-tool to have. Next, we have Allen head wrenches. We go from a 4mm all the way up to 3/16. This should accommodate anything your mini bike or engine is going to need. We have a couple of multi-tools. We'll start with the bigger one. This is nice. You're probably wondering where all the fitments are. They're going to be in the base here. That unscrews. Open it up. You're gonna have Phillip head, flat head, Torx head, and Allen head. All you gotta do is take one out, snap it at the end, and you're fixing on the go. If that's too nubby for you, just push in the base, pick your desired length, and you're fixing things on the go. To clean it up, push down, that nub's up. Put your tool back in, put it back into the sleeve, screw the base back on. You're ready to hit the trail. We also have a smaller version of that for smaller electrical components. Just pop off the base. These are dual-sided. Phillips head and flat head. Pop them in. And you're fixing smaller components on the go. Put everything back. Nice and compact. And like I said, there are going to be extra webbings in here. If you wanted to fit in more Allen head wrenches or just different tools, you can definitely do so. There's also a nice open empty space in here that has this clear pocket. You can throw in anything you like, some field notes, some pens. I like to throw in extra zip ties. I think zip ties are great, especially on mini bikes. I've seen people use them as chain links. I've seen people have their kickstand springs pop off so you can zip tie your kickstand up so it's not dragging on the ground. These are just great lifesavers to have. Well, once you're done with your kit, once you're done fixing your mini bike and you want to get up and running, you can close it up, Velcro it shut, close the ends to keep everything nice, secure, and safe. I also want to show off this hook. If you're working on your mini bike, you can hang this off your handlebars or anywhere off your frame. It makes all your tools nice and easy to get to. But once you're done, close the flaps, flap 1, flap 2, put your Velcro through the buckle, throw it on your handlebar, back rack, or backpack. Like I said, this thing will be your best friend. You can take this anywhere you want to go. Nice and durable, great sturdy. I love this pack. So there you have it, the GPS Racing Toolkit. Everything you need, organized exactly how you need it, and built to go wherever the ride takes you. The best part, when you're done, it all rolls up, tight and secure, ready for the next adventure. So don't let a simple mechanical issue end your ride early. Get the GPS Racing Toolkit and ride with confidence, knowing you're prepared for whatever the trail throws at you. Because the only thing better than a great ride is finishing it. I'm Jason. Be sure to ride safe, ride fast, and as always, ride on.